Guy, my guy. Nah, you get what they worry me since what I just the think since. You know, say for if you come for Bible now, guy. You know, say that we dey read Bible pass.
Igbo people.
Yeah, African we dey read Bible pass. But what they pay me, you say for this Bible now, I don't see any single name of those our ancestors. Okay, get them, code them, all those our ancestors. Their name no appear for Bible.
They pay me. They reason them. They imagine how they this
Okay. Even take for this our name, like my village name. In I don't see for Bible.
That why you even go for yourself. If you they put your village name, say they make sense. It don't make sense. What I be one thing you be say. The other day why they imagine this in the ask one pastor. Why is it that all these people where they write for Bible, they don't even include my papa, my grandpa,
Your grandfather now.
will be great man. If I tell you what this man do, no go. If you can call, you cannot comprehend. But you see my problem. Are we Africa they read Bible pass?
But none of our history.
None of our history
they
inside the book.
Now history of people will be saying, I other people.
You know who be Moses?
Oh my God.
Okay, my great grandfather now, my great grandfather will be say, in name na Udekwere. I don't search Bible from Genesis to Revelation. I don't see that man name.
Like I tell you something, brother. No, if you see that kind of name there.
Even people who born am, will be say people who exist in.
What in the best me say? Yes, they can't transfer the Bible from English to Igbo. They're supposed to write that. You understand? Where they come from? But this people, it does too much.
Nah.
It does too much.
Ah.
But this time around, the Bible, I want to write my own Bible.
Okay,
Oh, Igbos are go dead there now.
you know that you go there.
Oh, God, can I go dead there?
You tell me go there.
Okay, go chop, I go dead there.